pump track. It's been a while since I've been here, but I decided that I can come around and just start a pump around and get myself into shape. So, alright, here's just a few clips. So there is a little hip I wanna get. It looks like they've just been working on this place. It's wet, it's slippery, but this shit is pack hard solid, man. So just gonna set the camera up, see if I can get a couple shots of me jumping this thing. Yeah, so I came here a little bit late. I'm running out of light, man. It's getting dark, and I'm just starting to get warm. Oh man, I guess maybe nice. So maybe tomorrow I'll just come back early, get some session in. But man, I want some bigger jobs.